Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. We're closing out the month of October. Happy Halloween to everyone. Hope you guys have a wonderful Halloween filled with a lot of excitement. But speaking about excitement, Solana is literally killing it right now, and I could not be more excited to make this update for you guys. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If we're looking at the entire market right now, we're seeing a little bit of a 50-50 situation happening for the cryptocurrency market on the daily time frame, because Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a minor retracement, which is causing some of the altcoins to go back into the red. But if we're looking at Solana, guys, Solana has absolutely been killing it, and once again on the daily time frame it's up 7.2%, and this right here is a very, very urgent update. So you do want to watch this video till the absolute end. We're about to retest, the FTX, prior to the FTX crash levels of those times. So, it's really exciting, of course. So let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the price of Solana right now, once again, as I've mentioned, it's up 7.2% on the daily time frame, and the price is currently sitting at $37.44. It's also up 6.7% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. And if we're looking at its market cap, it's at $15.7 billion with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $1.6 billion. You can't make this up, guys. You can't make this up. And this is something I've been talking about for quite some time. And I've seen some comments coming in saying, hey, Crypto ZX, you were one of the very, very few content creators that was covering Solana, and now all these influencers coming in on board, and that just shows you where Solana currently stands. But let's take a further look at it and see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at the price on Solana on the daily time frame, ooh boy, it is breaking out. You can see this for yourself. We're about to retest that resistance. As a matter of fact, we're already retesting the levels for Solana prior to the FTX collapse. And you guys know I discussed the exact price point, which is at $38.65. And that is a huge level of resistance. What I'm expecting is, once we get to that point, we might see a little bit of a minor retracement, unless we see insane amount of buying pressure coming in around that level, which would push the price of Solana all the way up to $48.24, guys. In just the month of October, let's go back down memory lane. Literally 2 weeks before this, Solana was just trading at $18.31. And if you picked up some Solana around there, guess what? You are up right now 103%, and you have doubled your portfolio at this point, especially if you got in Solana at this level. But at that level, no one really wanted to touch Solana, of course, because the uncertainty was quite high, and the fear across the cryptocurrency market at that point was really high. And as you know, there's a famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. So the people that were being greedy around this range, are the ones that are winning at this point. And I'm sure anyone that sold around that level is regretting it. Guys, we've constantly been covering Solana during a bear market. I've constantly told you guys that, we need to focus outside of the price. We need to really see what Solana blockchain really is doing. Are they innovating? Are they making some massive strides within the blockchain industry? Which they have been. And a lot of people generally forget that. They just look at the price, see what the price is doing. If the price is not doing some excitement, you're just going to be like, whatever. I'm just going to go look elsewhere. And, we popped out of this long consolidation phase, and things are looking bullish than ever, and a lot of people comparing it to Ethereum's early beginnings. I've made that comparison as well, of course, and this is the project that comes closest to ETH. It is the project that comes closest to ETH. No other project has gone this close. I can go all day long in terms of explaining as to why that's the case. If you guys do follow me on my channel, you guys know for quite some time I've been saying why Solana is the closest to ETH, and I think this time around a lot of people are going to be shocked how it performs this coming bull cycle, especially when this Bitcoin ETF is to be approved. When this Bitcoin ETF is to be approved, I think Solana is one of the coins that is going to benefit out the most. Now you may be saying, Crypto ZX, why do you think that's the case? Remember, when that fake news came out about ETF being approved, we saw Forex obviously going up, but Solana was one of the surprising coins that was reacting really positive to that news. So that really shows us there is a correlation between the ETF being approved and Solana, and there might also be something behind the scenes that's happening that we do not know of. I discussed in my previous update, which was just yesterday, that there is an article going around that FTX and Alameda funds are on the move, and there's $10 million worth of Solana. And I've told you guys in that video, I'm totally not worried about that, because $10 million, sure, it seems a lot, but the buying pressure right now for Solana is just too high. The FOMO factor is there. And look at the FOMO factor really, playing out. Remember, when we broke out of this long consolidation phase, look what's happening with the price right now. If you picked it up at this resistance, you are up right now about 40%. So, crazy, crazy times for the Solana community. And let me know what you guys are doing right now. How are you allocating your Solana? Are you guys taking it? Are you guys just holding it? What is your strategy? And where could you see the price of Sol trading at before the year of 2023 comes to an end? I think the most bullish factor is for the price to get back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. That would be a game changer in my opinion, and I think that could bring in more hype than ever. But remember, there is going to be a time where we're going to see a little bit of a cool off. I know everyone is getting extremely excited. People are just saying, ooh, prices are going insane and we're about to drive a Lamborghini tomorrow. Well, settle down, guys. We're not there yet. But it's going to be one step at a time, but there will be a cool off coming in. We need to keep that factor in mind. I still think there is steam left within itself. We might be able to see a $50 Solana and potentially even see a $60 Solana before the year comes to an end, but I am expecting a little bit of a cool off coming, unless there's some insane news that comes out which just goes insane. But that is it for today's update. If we're looking at Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is trading sideways over the past few days. You can see this for yourself. Bitcoin, you guys know, is in a bull market. There's no question about that. And, we might be able to see a new all-time high coming in the next, weeks ahead of us. So great things definitely happening for the entire space, especially for the Solana community. Solana has outperformed every single asset class in the top 10 coins, and that should really show you where Solana currently stands. But let me know down below what you guys think. I know you guys can tell by my voice that, I'm really, really excited, but I know a lot of my viewers can vouch for me that, hey, you know what, Crypto ZX was one of the very few people that was making updates on Solana when no one was paying attention to it. But that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think, and also let me know which other coins you guys want me to cover. I know a lot of comments coming in. It's really, really hard to keep up with all of them, but I do make sure I read all your guys' comments. Let me know down below. But with that said, I will see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.